Folks ask us all the time, hey, I got hurt at work. Am I ever going to get back to the way I was before my injury? And that's a hard question for anybody to answer. Nobody knows, quite honestly. I'm a lawyer. I don't have a crystal ball. You're the injured person. You don't even know. And quite honestly, many times your doctor doesn't know. We've had many, many folks come through our offices. We've been doing this for 37 years. And we've had folks come through our offices. And most of the time, they've had significant injuries. And that herniated disc in their back that needs surgery, that torn rotator cuff, that ACL that's been torn and repaired, that crush injury on the ankle, the amputated fingers are all things when I hear from them several years later when they call up after their case has long been settled. But lots of folks keep in touch. How you doing? What's going on? Happy holidays, whatever. We talk to them. And unfortunately, they're not back to 100% in most cases. Doesn't mean that they can't get on with their lives, and it doesn't mean that they can't go back and do some sort of work. But the guy who's unloading bricks off of a truck and blew out his back cannot get back and do that most of the time after herniating a disc in his back. And certainly the person who has amputated his fingers cannot get back to doing the conveyor belt line work that they may have done before. And you can understand all of that. So what's very, very important in these workers' compensation cases is that we attack it immediately and that we are aggressive about it when you have that, so that we can get for you the benefits that you deserve, we can get for you the medical care that you deserve, and we can get for you a lump sum settlement in most cases that we can negotiate and work out. We make no promises about values on cases until we speak with you about your particular case. And while settlement is not guaranteed in most cases, we are very successful in getting our cases settled. So if you want to speak with me about your particular situation, where you are in your process, please give me a call. I'm happy to go over it with you and see if we can help you. Thanks.